In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and tapping on this eye icon with a little A at the bottom right corner of it, located on Brightness slider. If the icon is blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, hit Display, and use this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness feature to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!